As per the report on 13th of August, Joyson Jising Rengma, 48 years old, a resident of Japra Langso under Bokajan police station, was taken to custody over the allegations of connection with the newly formed militant outfit named Karbi United Liberation Army. Joyson Jising Rengma recently contested the MAC general elections of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council from Diopani constituency as a candidate from Indian National Congress Party. He was arrested over the allegations of involvement with the newly formed militant outfit named Karbi United Liberation Army (KULA) on 13th August. The police department summoned him on 12 August and interrogated him at Bokajan police station. He was then kept in captivity with suspicions of involvement with the newly formed militant outfit named Karbi United Liberation Army. He was taken to Bokajan Judicial Court for hearing on 13th August. On hearing the news of his arrest, the citizens of Bokajan subdivisions were left in shock. The investigations of the case is under progress and the actual news would be published once the investigations concludes. Anand Sterang report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live.